In this video, we're going to make it where the player can receive a random quest. After the player accepts the quest, the status menu is going to update with the quest information. So the first thing we're going to do is make a new room. And then we're going to call this quest. This is where we're going to store all of our quest objects. So the next thing we're going to do is actually make a quest object. And we're going to call this delivery_quest. Make sure it's the parent is set to the actual quest object. Well, not object, but the room. And then the alias I'm going to put for this quest is deliver item to room. You can put whatever you want there though. Now the next thing I'm going to do is make a new command. And we're going to call it get quest_command. And the pattern's going to be get quest. Now down here in the script, we're going to start it off with an if statement. So if not player.quest is equal to null. So if the player does have a quest, then we're going to message you already have a quest. Else, if the player does not have a quest, we're going to do, first of all, we need to get all of our quest objects. So quest is equal to get direct children quest. And then from those quest objects, we need to just pick one. So quest is equal to pick one object quest. So then after that, we're going to do player dot quest_target is equal to quest. I'm going to explain that line a little bit later. So after that, we're going to do message quest.alias. Get rid of the quotations though. So before the player actually accepts the quest, what we want to do is show the quest name and then show the quest description. We're going to add a quest description in either the next video or the video after that. But right now we're just going to show the quest alias. So we got that done. And after that, we're going to do show menu. And then we want to prompt, do you accept this quest? And then the player can either do yes or no. So we're going to do split yes or no to create a string list. And then the last parameter is going to be true. And inside of here, we're going to do if results is equal to yes, then we're going to do player.quest is equal to player.quest_target. And so the reason we have to do player.quest_target is equal to quest is because whenever you use the show menu function, it's not aware of any of the variables that you used before. So it's not aware of quest or quest. So we have to basically kind of like jimmy rig a way to keep the quest in scope. And so I normally do that by binding it to the player as an attribute. So yeah, if that makes sense. So now after that, all we have to do is test it. So save and test. So what we're going to do is type in get quest. Oh, we have an error. Split. Okay, let me fix that. Oh, okay. The quotations have to cover the yes and no. So I'll fix that. Let's run it again. And try it again. Get quest. Deliver item to room. Do you accept the quest? Yes, I do. And if everything is done right, this over here should have disappeared. So now we're gonna add, well, not really add, but modify the update underscore status function. And here, underneath the if statement, we're gonna add an else. Okay, so dictionary add status quest underscore name player dot quest dot is. So what this line does is once the player accepts the quest, the status menu is going to update with the quest name. And like I said before, as time goes on, we're going to add the quest name, the quest description, and then a quest hint to kind of tell the player what they need to do next. But right now, we're just focusing on the quest name. So now we're going to save and run it again to test. So type in git quest, deliver item to room. Do you accept the quest? Yes. And it should show up over here. Okay, so you can probably guess based on the quest name that we're going to be creating a delivery quest. What's going to happen is after the player accepts the quest, they're going to receive an item. From there, their goal is to take that item to a specific room. So in the next video or two, we're going to make it where the player can actually complete this quest. Until then, thank you for your time.